Okay, we're reacting to this guy. Cookieking46.
He's alive!
Say hello to here we go. Yay. I teach him about countries. Now he knows countries. Look, I'm gonna teach you about countries. Countries are lands on Earth with 8 billion people. With independence too. They have birthdays too. Gonna read all my comments. From this is why I said okay, stop 8 right now. The description is okay, stop 8 right now. Baba. 1, 2, 3,
Bro, you're
4,
literally
5, 6,
floating.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cook. What?
Cookie.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah. I love this hashtag. Yeah.
Stop
Yeah.
the cookie.
Yeah.
And he literally saw that.
This hashtag. Yeah.
Test my anger, buddy.
You versus you. Who will win?
I will explode you guys, you know that?
You use this sound.
No.
You versus
He's pointing at the sound.
You versus a zombie version of About You. Oh,
We're-
you want that? Okay.
Oh yeah, I hate you guys. I hate you. Oh! I realized he's a little kid. I realized he's a real little kid.
Look, he's
Look,
trying
I realized he's a little kid.
Why can't you kill him?
2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. That's the time of my recording. Oh, it means
Why can't you do that?
it's in the hundreds. Why is it in the hundreds? Oh, actually not hundreds. It's 100. We're reacting to his old video.
Zane versus me. Yo, Zane, what's up?
I am gonna kill you.
What? Why?
What? Yes. I know what should we expose yet. But do you know any Caleb? Do you know any cringe YouTubers? Oh, how about Meowbah? The girl who created her own religion and failed. We're exposing this channel again. I mean, not again. We're exposing this channel like why is her description? Do you want to be a man?
Do you want to be?
Now's your time from being Muslim.
What's
2 months
this?
ago, Now try to change and become Muslim. However,
What's
Meow
this?
does not believe in Allah and Meow disagrees with a lot of what the religion
What?
is.
What?
And
My
Meow
TIV
simply
look.
does not,
My teeth.
and Meow disagrees
Look,
a lot with.
teeth. My teeth. Look at my teeth.
Okay.